My name is Florian Felten, and I'm honored to receive an FNR award for Outstanding PhD Thesis for my research in the field of artificial intelligence at the University of Luxembourg. Think about how you make decisions every day. When planning a trip, do you take the fastest road, even if it costs more? Or do you choose a cheaper, more sustainable option, even if it takes longer? We all have different preferences, and we're constantly making compromises to balance different aspects. In this case, speed, cost, comfort, and values. But most AI systems today, they don't do that. That's where my research comes in. In my thesis, I worked on helping AI to understand and navigate compromises. At the core of my work is something called reinforcement learning. Through this method, an AI agent learns from experience by interacting with its environment and adjusting its actions based on feedback. But in current AI systems, reinforcement learning only optimizes for one goal, while in reality, we often make compromises between competing objectives. Imagine an AI helping you commute. It might suggest driving simply because it's fastest. But if you care more about the environment or your health, you might prefer taking the train or riding a bike. My research introduces multi-objective reinforcement learning, which teaches AI to weigh multiple goals and learn different behaviors that reflect various trade-offs. But I didn't stop there. I also studied multiple AI agents working together, like self-driving cars navigating an intersection. Each car has its own destination, but they must coordinate to avoid collisions and keep the traffic flowing. My research was part of a project focused on automatically generating computer programs to control swarms of drones. Such swarms are increasingly used to fight wildfires, monitor water quality, or inspect infrastructure, where we must balance speed, battery use, and safety. This led to new methods in multi-objective multi-agent learning, where AI agents learn to balance different needs while working together. By helping AI to understand preferences, compromise, and collaborate, my work moves us closer to intelligent systems that don't just perform well, but they align with human values and that we can steer better. These advances are crucial for making AI more flexible, trustworthy, and useful in different fields.